Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and then go to the shooting methods section. And here you can change press volume keys too. You can change it to take picture or record video, zoom in or out, or just control system volume. So let's set it to zoom in or out. And now let's try this feature out. So as you can see right now, with volume buttons I can zoom in or zoom out, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.